Burkina Faso has made a remarkable achievement that is shaking up the traditional narrative of Africa's place in the global tech space, an electric car, EV, built from the ground up. But how did Burkina Faso, a country with no prior experience in automobile manufacturing, manage to create this game-changing vehicle? Isn't it amazing that a nation with little history in the car industry could leap into such a cutting-edge field? This development challenges many assumptions about Africa's role in high-tech industries and presents a bold new direction for the continent's economic future. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on African innovation and leadership from the African web. Electric vehicles have become the ultimate symbols of technological advancement, with global giants like Tesla, Volkswagen, NIO, and BYD leading the charge. The widespread assumption is that only advanced economies can compete in the EV industry. For many, the idea of Africa entering the EV market seemed far-fetched. However, Burkina Faso is proving that Africa is ready to defy expectations with its locally made EV, shattering the assumption that Africa can only be a consumer of high-tech products. Burkina Faso's electric car is not just a technological breakthrough, it's a bold statement of Africa's potential to lead in innovation. For too long, the continent has been seen as a consumer, not a creator. But could this achievement be a game changer? This achievement signals that Africa can innovate in high-tech industries and set the stage for similar developments across various sectors. This achievement is also a step toward economic independence for Burkina Faso. By developing its own electric car, the country is reducing its reliance on foreign-made vehicles, fostering local industries, and building a foundation for sustainable growth. Could this be the beginning of a new era of African self-sufficiency? Beyond the electric car, this achievement lays the groundwork for a broader industrial transformation. It sets a model for African self-reliance and highlights the potential of locally manufactured products to reshape the continent's economic future. At the heart of this success is Automotive, a Burkinabe startup focused on sustainable mobility. Led by a passionate local team, Automotive took on the challenge of developing an electric car tailored to Africa's needs, proving that innovation can come from within. One of the key elements behind this success is the use of locally sourced materials. African suppliers have played a critical role in providing the necessary components, while locally manufactured battery technology has ensured the car's practicality and affordability. The electric car was specifically designed for Africa's tough terrains and hot climates. Unlike many luxury EVs that are made for Western markets, Burkina Faso's car can endure the conditions of African roads, making it a perfect fit for the local environment. Despite being locally made, the car boasts fast charging capabilities and meets modern efficiency standards. Its competitive features ensure that it is not just a novelty, but a viable option for everyday use. Burkina Faso's approach of bypassing foreign companies and developing its technology locally challenges traditional norms in the automotive industry. By creating its own electric vehicle, Burkina Faso is sending a clear message that innovation can be homegrown, even in nations that have been traditionally overlooked in high-tech sectors. Much like China's rise in the global EV market, Burkina Faso is demonstrating that innovation can come from emerging markets, not just established powers. This shift signals that Africa, often seen as a consumer rather than a creator, is ready to lead in the tech space. Could this be the start of a new wave of African-led innovation in high-tech industries? The challenge now is scaling up production. Will this electric car be a one-time success, or will it spark a long-term industrial revolution in Africa? The potential for mass production is there, but it will require strategic investment and the building of local supply chains. Mass production could create thousands of jobs, train local engineers, and develop the supply chains necessary for sustained growth. This opportunity could fundamentally change the economic landscape of Burkina Faso. By reducing its reliance on foreign-made vehicles and increasing local production, Burkina Faso can transform its economy, reducing imports and boosting its manufacturing sector. This shift could have a ripple effect across the continent. Burkina Faso's achievement is not just a win for the country, it is an inspiration for other African nations. Countries like Kenya, Nigeria, and South Africa could follow suit, embracing local manufacturing and innovation to drive their economies forward. This electric vehicle model sets the stage for Africa to move away from a dependency on imported cars. Local manufacturing can create jobs, reduce trade imbalances, and allow for the development of a more sustainable automotive industry. The economic benefits are immense. Job creation, improved trade balances, and a stronger, more self-sufficient industrial sector are just the beginning. Unlike the luxury EVs of the West, Burkina Faso's vehicle is built for practicality. Designed specifically for Africa's roads and needs, it provides an affordable, accessible option for the average African consumer. The locally manufactured EV is more affordable than foreign alternatives due to lower production costs. This could make electric cars accessible to a wider range of African consumers, transforming the automotive landscape. While charging infrastructure remains a challenge, the opportunity lies in developing a solar-powered charging network that could serve the entire continent. This could not only support the new EVs, but also create green energy solutions for Africa. Burkina Faso's electric car isn't just an automotive breakthrough. It is part of a broader transformation that could impact other sectors, including energy, infrastructure, and technology. As Africa's role in supplying key minerals for EV production grows, the continent could become a hub for battery manufacturing and technology, providing a sustainable source of energy for the continent and the world. Locally produced electric vehicles can significantly reduce Africa's reliance on oil, leading to less dependence on imported fossil fuels. Moreover, by embracing cleaner technologies, this shift could help mitigate pollution, especially in urban areas where air quality is a growing concern. Could this be the first step towards a greener, more sustainable Africa, where innovation not only drives economic growth, but also protects the environment for future generations? Burkina Faso's achievement sends a message to global automakers that Africa is not just a consumer market. It is a competitive player in the global automotive industry. This achievement challenges the perception of Africa as a passive player in the global economy and redefines the continent's role as a leader in high-tech innovation. This success story serves as an inspiration to young Africans across the continent, showing that innovation, self-reliance, and technological advancement are within reach. Burkina Faso's locally made electric car is not just a triumph for the country, it's a statement of Africa's potential for innovation and industrial transformation. This achievement sets the stage for a new era of economic growth, technological advancement, and self-reliance across the continent. As other African nations take note and follow suit, the future of Africa looks brighter than ever. What do you think about Burkina Faso's groundbreaking achievement? Could it mark the beginning of an industrial revolution in Africa, one where innovation and self-reliance take center stage? Share your thoughts in the comments below. How do you see this impacting Africa's future? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the African Web for more updates on Africa's rise in the global economy and its growing influence on the world stage.